What's up, YouTube? Thought we'd give you a look-see at the pepper patch. It's big. It's dense. We have some serious pepper action going on here. These things are just... I gotta get some more stakes out. They are just fucking growing everywhere. Look at this shit, man. It's like a giant fucking mess in here. Fucking shit. No peppers yet, though. Lots of blooms. Lots of blooms. Lots of blooms. The Farmer Light's doing work, apparently. Pepper patch is a beast. There's a nightmare going on in here. I'll let y'all get a kick out of that. Daughter leaves for 2 weeks. Dad takes over the operation, and look what happens. She comes back and she says, "What did you do to my peppers, Dad?" I said, "I didn't do nothing, man. I just been feeding them." Yeah, it's crazy watching these things go. These are wild ass plants, man. Everybody's good on water. Risentek soil, man. Whatever the hell's in my feed. Makes things happen. Check out the leaves on these. These things are crazy looking. They're opening up more of them all the time. They're like serrated and crazy on the edges. Weird little plant. They stretch out all over. Turn like a pepper vines. Need a stronger light over them. It's been leaving the window open on them so they can just get a beating from the sun every day now. Yeah, the Tiki Man's grown. Monster pepper patch. Let's see if I can stand back. Look at this. Alright, y'all. Peace out.